Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, electronic stability control, clock, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, day-night rear view mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.